We begin with Congress's historic passage of health care reform late last night. As expected, the final vote was extremely close. The bill, which had already been approved by the Senate, needed 216 votes in the House. 219 Democrats voted yes. 212 voted no, 34 Democrats, and all 178 Republicans. Now, under this law, starting later this year, insurance companies will not be allowed to drop your coverage if you get sick. There will be no cap on lifetime insurance benefits, and you can keep your children on your health insurance through the age of 26. Also, coverage will be available for uninsured Americans with pre-existing conditions. CBS News congressional correspondent Nancy Cordes is on Capitol Hill this morning. Good morning, Nancy.
Good morning, Maggie, and what a sense of relief for Democrats who have been focused almost single-mindedly on health care reform for nearly a year.
In back-to-back late-night votes,
the ayes are 219.
House Democrats narrowly passed first the Senate's health care bill, and then a comprehensive set of changes to that bill to correct all the things they didn't like.
The bill is passed.
Just before midnight, the president went to the East Room of the White House to hail his party's hard-fought victory.
This legislation will not fix everything that ails our healthcare system, but it moves us decisively in the right direction. This is what change looks like.
Mr. Obama had been working the phones and cutting deals right until the end, even issuing this executive order reiterating a ban on using federal funds to pay for abortion services, which secured 6 critical votes from anti-abortion Democrats.
With the help of the president, the speaker, we were able to come with an agreement to protect the sanctity of life.
Impassioned protesters swarmed Capitol Hill all day and into the night, most of them urging members to kill the bill. Their intensity was matched by hours of heated debate on the House floor leading up to the vote.
Can you say it was done openly? With transparency and accountability? Without backroom deals and struck behind closed doors? Hidden from the people? Hell no, you can't! Have you read the bill? Have you read the reconciliation bill? Have you read the manager's amendment? Hell no, you haven't!
Every single Republican voted against the bill, but it was not enough.
There's great pride and great humility that we undertook this great act of patriotism that occurred on the House floor tonight.
The bill will be the law of the land as soon as the president signs it, but the fight is not over. House Democrats now have to hope that Senate Democrats will live up to their promise and pass a set of fixes to the bill that are identical to the ones that they passed last night. Maggie?
And Nancy, when will the Senate begin that debate?
Well, they begin that debate tomorrow, and they hope that they can hold a vote this week, but Republicans have vowed to do everything that they can to slow the process down, Maggie.
What could the Republicans potentially do?
Well, they can offer unlimited amendments. They can try to strip certain provisions out of the bill, knowing that if they succeed in changing even one word in this bill, then it has to go back to the House for yet another vote.
And start all over again. So not a done deal. Nancy Cordes, thank you, Nancy.
A lot happens early on The Early Show, weekday mornings on CBS.